Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Modupe Banjo. I live in Ibadan. I'm a makeup artist, a content creator. So today is Ibadan Trade Fair and I'm actually heading there with a sister and a friend. So come along with me because I'm going to take you guys along with me. I'm going to do some little shopping here and there, but as per the economy, I'm not going to waste too much. But I have to get there for you guys to see. Yeah. Later. Hello. Say hello.
Hello.
Oh yeah, tell them to like, subscribe and share.
Please like our page, subscribe and share. Thank you. Why you look more for that?
At this point, we were just standing by the road waiting for our in-drive driver to come pick us up. He said he was almost at our place. And as you can see, the driver picked us up already and we are in the car and on our way to Jogo Center where the trade fair is taking place. So, and I'm just trying to show you guys Ibadan a little bit. And it took us, I think, like 27 minutes or 25 minutes to get to Jogo Center with the route that it took, because we didn't pass through the expressway, Lagos-Ibadan expressway, to avoid traffic and all that. So you had to take this part of Ibadan to get to the area faster. And this is me just making jest of my friend in the car. And for people that are not familiar with what trade fair is, I think this basically happens towards the end of every year. I'm not sure, but it's basically when sellers come together to sell their product off at a cheaper rate. Maybe it depends, maybe at a 20% discount, 30% discount, 50% discount. It depends on the seller that you are buying from. So basically, everything you are going to purchase from the event will be cheaper from the normal price that you get to see from them. Do you understand? So you get to buy a lot of things at cheaper rates. So that is the purpose of this event. From the signage that you saw earlier, we are already at Jogo Center and the driver is just moving towards the entrance gate. And at the entrance gate, there are bouncers and ushers there. The ushers are ready to tag you. You will be asked if you are a buyer or a seller. So you will be tagged before you can go in. If you do not get tagged and you are caught, you will be bounced out. Yes. So you have to be tagged before you go in. And gate fee is free. How cool is that? Good morning.
Thank you.
Everything fashion.
I'm coming for my bag.
Good morning. I'm actually coming here. So how much is it? Jale. You like this one? Buy it. Maybe you have money. Can I transfer?
Yeah. This one's here, they're for 500.
They are for 500.
Yes.
This one I will buy one for Asham. I'm trying to get. Oh, they are nice. Very uncomfortable. Hey, the one we late. And chain, how much?
These ones are 335. This one is 35. These ones are for 4,000.
Charge you one.
Thank you.
No problem. No problem. Aww. Oh yeah, it's alright. How much? How much? Okay. Ah.
We have 2 powers. We have 2 powers.
Like how much? How much is the cheapest?
Okay. We have 8K. We have 5.5. We have 6K. 7.5. I will have 4,000. 6.5.
So a lot of earrings. And they are nice. And these are really nice.
See, I said I wolf. Come and rip me. I wolf.
Even mommy is dancing. I saw online. Just shove the person. Camera not one. Me makeup. Show me the Laura makeup. Come back. Come back now. Wait, hold on. Emma boy. They are cute. Hey, Riabi. Have you seen? Please send Charles check. Where are you going to? Toilet. And as my friend is using the toilet, me, I'm just here using the mirror, feeling myself. After walking about. Let's go straight. Oh, I'm alone.
So it was time to go home. I just took a bike to get to half of my destination because my friend was not going home with me. She had to get to somewhere by herself. You'll see her on a bike very soon. And please, guys, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. This will make me grow. Please, please, please. Thank you. And I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Hey guys, so these are the stuffs that I got from the beauty fair. So these two packages, they are from the beauty Cognizant. Like they sell cosmetics and makeup products. And this first one that I'm going to open, these are face masks, hyaluronic acid, and you know what this is for. This is for more moisture on the skin. And this is collagen face mask for skin elasticity. So I got this from them. And the second thing that I got from them is this Desar oil. I've heard a lot about this particular oil. If you do not want to opt for the very expensive oils, this guys brand, at this point I just took bike because I was like from the review by myself, so I'm going to try it out. My friend went out and I bought from the fair. Yes, I bought so this, she left me to go home all by myself. So and bike was the easiest way to get to half of my destination. So I've been wanting to get this. So I just took bike straight to as per I didn't have money for in drive again. I've exhausted most of my money. And this is how on the bike going away. They sell jewelry. So I got this earring that I like so much. I think it's so guys, as we have come to the end of this vlog, please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. It is going to mean a whole lot to me and it is going to help me grow. Thank you. Bye. I got from is this L&G merch, which is Land G merch. They are also jeweler. They sell jewelry too. And she was kind enough to add this gift. Isn't she cute? She was really, really sweet to I and my friend. And I got this earring from her too. I love it. I love it. And this one is from Saint by Tima. Yeah. She's my perfume plug. And guys, her stand was fire. Fire. People, there was so much crowd at her stand. And guys, she was kind enough to add this soap case as a gift for me. And thank you, Tima. Yeah, this is the first perfume. This is Iba perfume. I've been seeing a lot of rave about this perfume online. So I just thought to try the small one, which is the 50 ml. So this is it. And the second one is this 25 ml perfume, and these 3 perfumes. So those are the things that I bought from her, and she was kind enough to add this. And lastly, guys, I got a bag from Everything Fashion. You see this woman, I've been following her since only God knows when. I think 5-6 years ago I've been following, but I've not bought anything from her, all because she's in Lagos and I'm in Ibadan. And I kind of have trust issues when I'm buying stuffs from people that are far from me. So I saw her today. She was so sweet. She even hugged me. Guys, I'm not going to wash that clothes for a long time. She hugged me. She did a video of me. She was so sweet and kind. Yeah. So I'm just going to show you the bag that I got from her. And yeah, guys, she added a 3,000 naira voucher card for every purchase, for every person that buys from our stand during this trade fair. You get a 3,000 naira voucher, which is 1,000 naira off every off one transaction every month for 3 months. Do you get, guys? So this, I think this is really sweet and thoughtful. So I'm just going to unbox the bag that I got from and sorry about the lighting, guys. I'm exhausted, I'm tired already. I'm just trying to do this unboxing for you guys. So please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe on my channel. It is not easy, oh guys. It is not. See this money that I spent now. I ought to have put this money into my savings account, but we move. So yeah. Oh, this is the bag that I got from her. It's a black cute bag, which I love, and the leather is nice too. I'm just going to open it up. It has this chain strap. Yeah, is it strap? Yes. So it has this chain strap, which I love, which can be carried. You can carry it as a shoulder bag, and you can just put it across your neck, and I love that. And I think for its price, it is spacious enough for the price, and which I'm even happy I got it at a discounted price. So I'm glad about that. Oh wow, okay, there's nothing there. I thought there is a space there too. And I love it though, guys. And that brings me to the end of this unboxing. Thank you guys, and please, I'm begging you guys, please do not forget to subscribe. Just subscribe to my page. Subscribe, like, comment and share. Let me know your thoughts down below. It is not going to take anything from you to subscribe to my page, you guys. Trust me, it is not going to take anything from you. Just show your girl some love now. Thank you guys. Bye.